Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing Mermaid Curls. If you want to know what I think about it and how I use it, then please keep on watching. Alright, so before I move on to the review, let's start with the short demo first. So I'm going to part my hair just very roughly. So our tool is all heated up and it's ready to go. Do you see how big this is? It's really hot as well. I'm going to take a section of hair and I'm going to clamp that with the device. Yan. So like with most, or not most, all hot tools, you have to be very careful with this as it gets very hot. Also, you have to be extra careful because it's huge. See? And I'm going to repeat that onto the other sections. I'm going to part this again one more time because I do have thick hair. Ooh, so nice. It's super easy to use, as in sobrang hassle-free. Plus, it's quick because it's not like other curlers where you have to take very little sections of your hair to be able to curl it. This one, the larger the chunk of hair that you clamp inside it, the better. The more pronounced the waves. Siguro kasi mas naiipit siya kapag makapal yung hair. Yes. It's actually very easy to use. I just look like I'm having a difficult time because
my hand is very small. My fingers are very short.
So, like, anong connect nun? This is where you hold the thing, diba? This is where you hold it. And my thumb has to really stretch out to be able to reach that. And there's nothing wrong with the device. It's just my hand. And you know what? Miraculously, kahit super laki nito, I've been using this for a week already and I haven't burned myself. So, that's good. So this is what the waves look like. As you can see, it is bouncy and very shiny after that. So, super easy to use. In less than 10 minutes, you'll have mermaid-like curls. So while that's still cooling down, I'm going to accessorize my hair. So I'm not sure if you can hear that, but there's a dripping sound or parang sound ng droplets, and that's coming from my aircon because I really need to get it cleaned. Anyway, on to the review. So I received this last week and it came all the way from Cebu, my family's hometown. And it came in a regular box, as in carton. And then once I opened it, it had this box inside that was bubble wrapped. Tapos when you open it, you'll get the product inside that is also bubble wrapped. So this is the box, and it just says Mermaid Curls, and on the side it has their logo. So super duper cute packaging. It's holographic. So once you open it, of course right now it's empty, but once you open it, you will see the product that's wrapped in bubble wrap plus a few more things. Free stickers. You know, I really love it when companies give out small freebies like this, like stickers or cards, you know. Am I the only one? I'm not sure if maybe buang-buang lang ko. But look at that. It's their logo, metallic. So I'm planning to get a new iPhone case, a black one, na plain, and then I'm going to put this. And then this one also, Mermaid Curls, it's a free sticker. And then it also comes with these two cards with super cute artwork on it. Sobrang cute. So this one, I'm going to stick this on my new 2021 bullet journal. So this is a short letter from the owners, Bam and Blue. So this tiny little card contains a few personal tips from the owners. So it says, avoid conditioner before use and make sure your hair is dry. This makes all the difference. Also, set the heat temperature at around 180 to 210 degrees. And lastly, finishing spray. This really helps in making your mermaid curls last longer. And then here, this bigger card right here, this is the care guide. Yan, care guide, Mermaid Curls Hair Guide. So at the back, you'll see instructions, safety measures, the features of the product, and a little about it. So let me read that for you. About Mermaid Curls Waver Wand. Voltage 110 to 220 volts. Rated frequency is 50 to 60. What is HZ? Hertz? Hertz ba?
It really hurts. Ang magmahal ng ganito kung sino pang
Sorry. Rated power is 70 to 130 watts. Features. It is super easy to use. Simply clamp down and release. True. Diverse. It could create ripple waves, afro curls, finger waves, boho, or beach waves. And it has 3XL barrels that create big bouncy waves with the largest waver barrels on the market. So that is true. So this is the product. So I'm going to give you a closer look at it. So ayan siya. Can you see it? It's as big as my face. And take note, I have a very big face. So ayan siya. The barrels are really big. So 32mm barrels siya. The size is here eh. Ayan, andyan siya. Andyan yung size. So, ayan siya. As I've mentioned, pag dito mo siya hinawakan, medyo mahirap kung maiksi yung fingers mo or your thumb is short like mine. So, ako dito ko siya hinawakan. Here. But not too close. Pag ganyan. I'm just really careful para hindi ko siya mahawakan ng ganon. Anyway, so, it instantly heats up, which is also true. It heats up really, really fast. Within seconds, the hair waver will be ready for glam. Multiple heat settings to suit all hair types and looks. So here, it has a little screen here, and it has 3 buttons. So this is the power button in the middle, and then these are the adjustments for the heat setting. So, ayan, to lower it, you use this one, and then to make it hotter, like me, you use this one. And then, variable temperature control, choose between 80 and 210 degrees. So I use 210 degrees to achieve these waves. I'm just going to show you another waver that I have. So in comparison, these are the 2 wavers. Can you see how big this barrel is compared to this one? As in, this one, I've had it for years, and to be quite honest with you, I don't really like it. I don't like it at all. You know what this reminds me of? This is just like that coworker that no matter how many chances you give her, it just doesn't work out. She doesn't do her job well. This, on the other hand, is like me. Does her job very good, cute, and thick. Gusto mo yun? So again, this is a 32mm.
millimeter? 32 millimeter. Basta 32 mm. 32 millimeter. Basta. So once again, this is a 32 millimeter.
So once again, this is a 32mm barrel. And then this one is 20. Another thing that I like about this is it has this thing here. I don't know what it's called. So that way, the very hot rods don't touch your surface area or your table. And another thing that I like is it won't get tangled because this moves around and rotates. So if you're wondering where you can get this product, you can buy this off of their website. Just visit www.mermaidcurls.co, or visit their Facebook and Instagram pages, which I will both link in the description box below. Also, in terms of price, the original price for this product is 3,500 pesos, but they are currently on sale for 2,995 plus you can get 200 pesos off of your purchase if you use my code MERMAIDDANNY. So, for those who are confused and not aware, my first name is Danielle. So, once again, that is 200 pesos off if you use my code MERMAIDDANNY. As usual, I'm going to link everything in the description box below. So I guess that wraps up our short demo and review for today. And that is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video.
Go out of track, you can get away with it.